Me can't tell so much lie and not telling if you go ask so much witnesses. How can I be such a liar? Me not understand. A long time me I tell me story and I keep telling people that my story don't have nothing to do with Spice. That's if somebody come up here today come talk about so warm to my closet. There's nothing in my closet. My closet, as I said, the only thing anybody could have talked about me is just for say me bisexual. That's the only thing. Me don't have nothing in no closet. Me don't have nothing for nobody go dig up. Because me sure by now you know say me have something for dig up. You know say me have come out with something already. Cause a long time me half of him. You know that. But oh man for come with things when man don't have anything for come with. How? Me don't understand how me cannot give you so much proof and no still a come tell me say me a liar. What's wrong with you now? The man when no fun no love to talk about and a spiritual lead and a spiritual advisor is a predator. When you keep on talking about IT, RT, be don't care if RT want up here so yes or no. That no matter to me, you know. Me don't go to some name already. Tell him to ask them people. Ask RT Boss how me meet him, how me know him. Where the first place me ever meet him. How me end up at RT Boss house. Wanna tell me that? How me end up at RT Boss house. Tell me that. How me end up in a RT Boss house. Tell me that. So when you come with a fool and you shall come ask some question about RT Boss this, go tell RT Boss, ask him how me end up in him house. RT Boss church, the Central Village. And RT Boss live past Lariston and go way around this RT Boss live. You never know around the name. What clock this but big good you love but RT Boss have wood. And that cranny somebody the man. RT Boss have wood. They say RT Boss a big man. What is wrong with you now? The chat shit. But big good. You know when he ain't big good? Go ask my best man about Big Good. Is the best man I rate me ask that man about Big Good. About Big Good. You don't know about Big Good? We can't go to one politician name when you can go ask about Big Good. RT Boss now good. You see, you never talk about lie. So when you're not boss ready for have a confrontation, can be very confrontational, you know. Yeah man, be very confrontational. I would never walk and defend no man where can walk and talk about underneath me. As a woman, and talk some shit about children when they do me nothing. Really? And them the man on the highlight. See him talk about the fuck Spice son. You don't feel like a joke in my talk. You don't feel like a joke in my talk. So a man think it's so easy. You hear my talk about Nicholas him touch? You don't think a joke in my talk? But Nicholas lay down in bottom careless and see if him not touch it. On the hear? Make Nicholas lay down in body careless and see if him not touch it. If I even just for spite the mama Spice. If I even just for hurt Spice. He would have fuck him. Trust me. He would have pardon the little boy and say, boy, a pitney, no? Go and defend. Because I don't know what is somehow, you know. When you sit down and don't wait until things get out of hand. At that time, you don't want to rectify things. When things get way out of hand. And them things they don't want to rectify things. I bet you now they hear say boy, him touch somebody and somebody go kill themselves. At that time they're not gonna say, oh my God, are this so serious? Lord Jesus, me never know. Lord this, Lord that. Yeah. And when you can do for help? Nothing. People come out there and people are talk them truth. You don't have the privilege of listening or leaving. Nobody know who will no down, you know. Even if you don't ask a question, nobody's obligated to answer the question if the question is asked. Because me can easily come up and come talk anything me want to talk and just turn off the comments, so nobody have the privilege to say anything.
A few moments later.
Jeez, the man auntie come on me yard. And go to her, go tell people she hear me on my phone. One man up on the phone with me for tune, because man I look me and me I rush the man, you know.
Yeah.
Me have the man, you know, up on speaker, and I hope so I tell the man, so you're up on speaker, stop bother me and the woman I hear, you know. Woman go
play 2 games. Talk and play 2 games.
Jesus, I don't know.
No, just accept it. Just accept it. Yeah, that is it. I'm gonna tap up the man scream over there, can I get good news? Talk.
But Jesus, ask me too. They can ask me, you know, if you want, we do.
Alright then. No man, it no matter cause we there so now. Everybody at the mother screen record. Me not ask. So you say, alright, boom. You say you know him through a lady bring you out because you want spiritual healing, right?
What kind of spiritual healing? You're mad.
Tell me what go on. Tell me what go on again, because me so excited. Me all think me that hear the wrong thing today, but when me hear again you talk and say, I look him, did I look you?
Cheese. No spiritual healing me go to boy. For church me go, man, and boy start look me in a church right away, man. Church me go.
Daring so?
You don't know who the RT boss?
No.
RT, you don't know who the RT boss?
We only see him, we don't know him.
A thief that, you know.
That you can't tell me. If I will see it, we know it. See him talk to people and tell people about this and him that. Him broke 36 coconut for me, spice and momo with there.
For do what?
But I know him say we have to go down. Me and momo that go dead the weekend, him say.
Boy, look here. I was saying this to somebody, but I said if him know him thing. You see, once you entertain spirit will teach you. RT boss is a book man. He's a spirit man. RT boss is a book man. When RT boss meet me, RT boss ask me for this work for him. Him want to look the client and me for do the work for him.
So me not tell them say that go on in a blood clot life. Every time when me cuss the boy,
I try to tell them.
He say you are not the Uber man, you get the workers. Because there is no way I could not deal with an Uber man like this. And he don't make call me. Yeah, you know who is real Uber man? Hey boy, go here. You think me don't know a real Uber man? Me just a fuck with people. It is out there, but RT is not one.
RT is not it.
I tell you. Fuck them, see people bend up for days and can't move. And people have a pass him. Nobody can touch him. I don't bend up that. I see things and go talk and laugh and a pint. A people table.
RT no one.
Yeah, guys.
You tell us some RT.
Them now. They can activate the rose them now. 3 more rows.
Him would know how to pick up things with people. Because I remember saying grandfather is spiritual, you know.
He can't pick up nothing. Him use the common things them. Like if somebody have an argument for the media, him use that and read. You can't read me through that. Read me about something what you don't know. When nobody has no knowledge, and me alone know about it. Read me about that.
You see, the thing is, you know, and you're right about that, you know. You know, even today somebody that on my live and I asked me if you read them and the person didn't have a picture up. And the person that talked to me, I said to the person, say, even though you don't even have a picture up, let me tell you what the spirit say. And then the person messaged me and tell me, say, you know, so what you said to me on the live was true. I want to talk to you. So let me tell you something, I saw me work. Me make people be convinced. Me not try to convince people. Me make spirit work.
What is
the work like that?
This look good over here, say. This cute and girly, one blonde. That is it. Future City.
So I was some bad pan. Alright, Monique. See a lady I will know me for herself and know some bad pan me reading. So that's what me I try to tell you now. Say Monique, she know me personally. She come from where me come from.
So alright, let me ask you something. I mean, I think I'm gonna ask you that can pertaining to him.